words about the organization which is conducting this webinar. MAC Group of Institutions is an umbrella organizations which have four different organizations situated in Bhubaneswar. These organization provides different type of services in human resource management and development, complete HR solutions and education. Among these four organizations, let me speak few words about the parent organization Manav Adhyayan Kendra, which started before 19 years in the year 2001. The main work of Manav Adhyayan Kendra is to add value to human life. Manav Adhyayan Kendra conducts different kinds of training programs like corporate training, open house training, personality development training, and any kind of soft skills and technical skill training. And it has covered more than 150 organizations across the country, covering more than 25 states. The main purpose of Manav Adhyayan Kendra is to add value to human life through different services. Now coming to the second organization, MAC Consultancy Services, we started in the year 2013, provides holistic HR solutions to different organizations. And the third organization, MAC Talent Search, provides complete placement services to different organizations. And the last one, MAC Public School, which is a new addition to our group. The main purpose is to give holistic education to students. So it has started with taking small kids, and the plan is to move till 12th. So this is about our four organizations, and the main motto of every organization is to add value to human life. And now I'll introduce the two eminent speakers who will speak about the topic enhancing emotional immunity in this webinar. So first, it's my privilege to introduce Dr. Jibitesh Rath, who is an MPhil from JNU and a PhD holder in Human Resource Development from Utkal University. He has 37 years of rich experience in different organizations like SAIL, Midani and NMDC. As a chief manager and head of corporate human resources in NMDC, a Navaratna PSU, his innovative contribution to learning and development led NMDC to bag the prestigious HR awards from NIPM and ISTD. And he has become a role model in HR area. He bags many prestigious awards such as the Best Young Manager Award by AIMA in 1989, Best Supporting Manager in Worker Education from Ministry of Labor in 2005, a Fellowship Award from NIPM in 2005, and recently the Scope Award for Best Case Study in HR in 2017. He has visited many foreign management institutions such as Rotterdam School of Management, Erasmus University, Netherlands, Columbia University, New York, Institute of Personal Management, Sri Lanka, and many more. So we really feel delighted to have you with us, sir, for this webinar, and I welcome you to this webinar, sir.
Thank you.
Now it's my privilege to introduce Dr. Subhendu Das. Dr. Subhendu Das, sir, namaskar. Dr. Subhendu Das is the founder, managing director of Hitaisi Consulting, a leading consulting organization in Bhubaneswar in the area of people strategy, industrial relations, employee relations, learning and development, etc. Dr. Das is an alumnus of University of Delhi and IISW BM, Kolkata. He has 37 years of rich corporate experience in leading positions such as vice president and deputy general manager in different organizations like PPL, Steel Authority of India, and many more. He has many certifications into his credit, such as Certified Lead Auditor in IMS, Certified Psychometric Analytics, etc. He is a professional trainer and OD practitioner, and he has trained over 32,000 corporate employees in India. Dr. Das is an impaneled resource person for TISS Mumbai and National Productivity Council New Delhi for various MDPs. Dr. Das is an unforgettable face in various HRD programs of corporate conferences and seminars of national and international reputes. Above all, he is an inspiring speaker. So we are really happy to have you with us, sir. So I welcome you to this webinar. So now,
Thank you, Dr.
now I'm requesting Dr. Jivitesh Rath, sir, to take over this session.
Thank you, ma'am. Good evening to everybody. Am I audible, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Good evening, Subhendu, a good friend of mine, and good evening to all my fellow participants. In fact, I'm a participant in this very sensitive topic, and I thank Pat Mac, which I know since last 10 years when I was in Hyderabad NMDC, to give this opportunity, especially the mentor, Mr. Harprasan Das, and the chairman, Mr. Sutar. The topic, coming straight to the topic, you cannot see this topic any book or any Google or anything you can download, but this is such a sensitive topic. I propose to share some few thoughts from the experience, and because emotion and going to the nitty-gritty of the definition and other things, because each man or each human being, or the male or female, or the boy or girl, or anybody, any age group, any profession, anywhere in society, unique character. You just cannot make any theoretical perspective of emotion. And it's a psychological topic, or this is a social topic, or this is a medical topic. That doesn't matter, because from my experience as a behavioral scientist for the last 40 years dealing with human beings, day in, day out, I will share some experience, and my good friend Dr. Das, who's a very dashing speaker, he will take care of other things. Just coming that emotion, I will tell you one thing, very interesting, this name.
Excuse me, sir.
Our name.
Just a second. Excuse me, sir. Participants, please mute yourself so that we can avoid the disturbances. Kindly mute yourself. Keep yourself in mute to avoid the disturbances. Okay, sir. Thank you. You can carry.
Okay, so no problem. This human being is a bundle of emotions. Everybody knows this proverb. So, and immunity, these two words. Immunity, now we are very much accustomed to this pandemic era, corona time, COVID-19 time, that how to enhance one's immunity. But what we'll discuss, or I will share my experience, this is something else. Instead of any physical immunity, how emotionally, what we call emotional quotient, or whatever term you use, people know intelligence quotient, IQ, but what is the EQ and emotional aspect? I'll give an example, because my talk will give an example. Everybody knows their name. I am Jivitesh, on Malavika, somebody Subhendu. Everybody knows their religion, everybody knows their language. But these three things are very, very emotional topics. If you talk on about language, definitely you become very emotionally charged. On language, a country was created, Bangladesh, separated from Pakistan. Pakistan was created on the religion, and name is very dear to anybody. But these three things are not, this is given by somebody else. These three things, I belong or anybody belongs, see somebody else, your parents might have given the name, somebody given you the religion, you are born without religion. So, but they're very emotional to us. And wars are happened, and lot of people are such as. So what is this emotion? You can understand the power of emotion in these three areas. Another thing, I only just 3 days back, a news item came. Orissa is lowest in this Indian happiness. Happiness is very related to emotion. Okay, Orissa is the last 3 states among 28 states, and first is Mizoram. This is just last week's Indian happiness study. So what is why Odisha, who is emotionally we are weak with Odia people, we talk, why we became last? The last, because of some parameters. These parameters may be, there are 6 parameters. The parameters which relate to emotion, one example I am giving, that is your friendship, your family relation, your social relation, your religious affinity, and your all the things, 6 parameters. But how you became emotionally so last? Well, that's the study part. But Odisha, one plus point, the Odia people are emotionally strong so far as the friendship is concerned. No? You know that the study, 68% people in India told Odias are emotionally very strong when they are with friends. So just to highlight the importance of emotion, I give a last example of another study worldwide. So that study was by Professor Hodgson in American University. He studied 400 male and female. Interesting part, only 3 factors. That is family, your child, and your own friend circle. The people tell they are more emotionally strong, more free and happy when they are with friends, not with the family, except with the child. So that's the study part. So when we talk about emotion, then we talk about enhancement, okay? So emotion is family plays a role. So man has so many roles, no? In 24 hours, man has to play so many roles, 24 into 7 and 365. In industrial background, I'll give an example. My 37 years in various big industries and location, forget industry, the location. I was in a travel belt for 8 years in Dantewada, NMDC, National Mineral Development Corporation, largest mines of India, I don't know mines. And we believe, we know mother and child emotion is very attached. In foreign country, when the child is born, the child, they will put it immediately after his or her birth, it put on the chest of the mother. In India, they will wash, they will take the other thing, but in America, in Europe countries, they put on your chest for 10 minutes, immediately for 10 minutes on the mother's chest, the child, newborn baby will be put, because the bonding starts, the emotion starts. 9 months, the child was with the mother. When come out to the world, they tell welcome to the world and put it on the chest of the mother. What is the purpose? The bonding, emotional bonding is so strong between mother and child. But if you go to Bastar or tribal belt, you will be surprised to know very interesting part. The mother doesn't give the milk of the calf to the child. The poor tribal mother, she'll give her own milk to the child, but the cow's milk she will not give. 100%. Last hundreds of years, the custom is there in the world. Is in why? Well, she knows my child's bondage emotion is like calf, the bachuri in Odia, that calf bondage with the mother cow is like that. So why should I take the milk of cow and give to this milk to my child? So the emotion, she's not educated. That ignorant, innocent mother, tribal lady, not educated. Their culture is like that. So second part comes, the culture plays a very big role in emotional aspect. Another thing, before 3 parts my talk. First part, I will tell about what I feel about emotion with some examples. Second part is what are the human beings' role in emotion. Third is how to enhance, okay? The second part, I'll come to another example because this is like a storytelling. We'll talk about emotion. I was so puzzled when I got a invitation to talk on this topic. Immediately I agreed because it is not any preparation required. Only your thought process to be channelized. Okay, because in India, if you ask any Indian about Pakistan, he will tell 1 hour about Pakistan. All Indians, 130 crores plus Indians, all Pakistani expert on Pakistan topic. Similarly, emotion, you talk to anybody, he or she may not agree with me or any other speaker, but he or she is also, because emotion, she can talk or he can talk. So here the point is how you enhance the emotion instead of spending more time to bring home the concept of emotion. Dr. Shubhendu will speak about the scientific aspect, social, psychological aspect, but I'll just talk another example before going for my advice how to enhance emotion. You see, as a HR professional, that HR index, why am HR, human resource index I'm talking? Because that is the happiness model. Emotion is always linked with happiness. Why our emotion we are disturbed? Why a mother, sometime in a Bhubaneswar newspaper came, these two young young sons killed the mother in some Bhubaneswar area. Why? On the mother emotion, child emotion. So it belied the emotional, unless emotion is channeled positive side, the negative things. What is the negative emotion? The anger, you know that, jealousy, anger, all the things are very negative aspect. Unless you guard the negative aspect of emotion, the positive aspect of emotion will not come. There is always a fight, no? Like immunity, the WBC, white blood corpus, when WBC always fight with the outside enemy to keep our body healthy. Similarly, the WBC of emotion always fight with negative emotion. A balance has to be made, but at some point of time, something happens wrong, people commit suicide, people commit some blunders, some mistakes, which cannot be defined in any, social parlance. From the last part, because the time is short out there, emotion and happiness always go side by side. Why I am emotionally strong or I am emotionally weak? I always try to be happy. But who is happy? Without boasting, because it's a very happy is a very relative term. Happiness, emotion will be enhanced if you are happy. But happy is a relative term. Somebody tell you are happy for this. Somebody will tell I am doing for happiness for this. But can you believe the poorest country of the world, like Bhutan, is the happiest people are staying there. Like in Mizoram, small state, happiest index there, in India. In the world, the happiness index, they call their countries is not GDP, gross happiness product, gross happiness index. So like that, so, but who is the happiest country in the world so far as material being is concerned, other factors are concerned? It is Norway. Somebody tell America, no, it's Norway, Scandinavian countries, because their literacy rate, that is all the factors, their longevity, all many factors, they become happy. So emotionally, they are strong. Can we say that because Norway or Scandinavian countries are like Sweden, Denmark, they're all top three, Germany, the fifth, is a big country in the world, which is the fifth in HRD index, happiness index rank. India is 116, 116th out of 178 countries. Last year, in 19, we are 118, now we are 116, okay? So this is a relative term. Again, I'm telling, emotion, happiness, correlation is a relative term. A poor man may be happy, a rich man may not be happy. So that depends. So coming to religion part, because I will not talk religion, I will talk about the spiritual. But religion is such a thing which may be misunderstood, so which may be, not properly, people may be misguided. Any religion you talk, all the problems comes due to misinterpretation of religion. I'll talk spiritual. Swami Vivekananda. I'll give an example how emotion and spiritualism. I give a Swami Vivekananda's example because I am a follower of Swamiji. Well, Swamiji, this story. When Swamiji was in Boston in America, one young lady approached him, wanted that I want to marry you. Why? I am a sadhu. Why should you marry me? I want a son from you. It's emotion. She has some emotion attracted to the Swamiji, wanted. But what is, Swamiji replied, you all know, she wrote, why? My marriage is not required. You make me your son. So that emotion part, what Swamiji understood, mother-child emotion, what that lady understood, may be different. But you see the Swamiji gave the reply to satisfy the emotion of a lady. Even you have everything like Gautam Buddha. It's a big example I should not give because there are everybody knows. Even Gandhi's case in South Africa. If you read his book, Experiment with Truth, so much trouble inside, emotional war every time. Do this, not to do this. Do this, not to do that. So, but what he did, but how he immune, how he strengthened his emotional part. That he, if you read that book, My Experiment with Truth, one line he reads always, I listen to my inner voice. What inner voice will speak, that is, that emotionally he become more strong. From my own experience, I tell, when I was a chief vigilance officer in a defense public sector in Hyderabad, so so all the things because I am subject to so much emotional problem. So the
Kindly, yeah.
so much emotional sub pressure. If you are a senior position, you deal with human beings about that. Because one example I give you, when I was investigating a case which was the country's strategic India's nuclear aspect was concerned, some smuggling of nuclear material from India to Pakistan, then to North Korea. The top people are involved. So I was threatened. My daughter was class 4 at that time. She was threatened. My wife was transferred. I was virtually, attacked. So, but emotionally, if you will break down, then the enemy will win the war. You should be, the very human psychology tells when you are attacked emotionally, you will become more strong. That is a psychological aspect. Unless you are strong, you break down. People tell me he's emotionally break down. So if you break down, then the immunity part will not come. You have to be very strong emotionally in anything, any small to big thing, day-to-day decision making, day-to-day, even living this world. Unless emotionally strong, you have everything, but emotionally weak means you are gone. So what we should do? Because we'll give time to the speaker. What we should do? I have four four just briefly one-liners. So be normal. First, my not advice exactly, my experience I'm telling, you should be normal self always. Moment you are in tension, if because abnormal behavior, emotionally you become very poor. So be normal. Don't compare yourself to others. What you are, because you are unique. I thought by first sentence. Abdul Kalam was my role model. If you read his book, India 130 billion, India 2020, these ignited minds, all these books, only one thing it tells, emotionally you should be strong to make India a superpower. So that means 90% of our time wasted in reacting what happens with others. What other man tell me, I react 90%. Only 10% I am responsible for my job, my behavior. Okay. If you take care of 90%, then your emotion will be strong. Only 4 aspects. Second is you should don't try to satisfy others because you can satisfy everybody. I'll give you an example. If you satisfaction within court, no, it's a relative term. But can you satisfy as a husband to your wife always, or can you satisfy as a father to your children? Can you satisfy in a professional field to your colleagues? You can satisfy. So if you try to satisfy, somebody tells you will become lonely. You will work for others, you become lonely because top people. Mahatma Gandhi brought independence to our played key role. The day of independence, he was a lonely man. On 14th August night, he was in Noakhali in Calcutta, staying in a slum area, riot affected area, Hindu Muslim riots. He a lonely man. He was not a happy man. So that depends. Don't try. And very important, I feel, very important. Let's say last but one point, empathize. You can satisfy, but you should empathize with others. You should feel for others. If in that his shoe, if you can satisfy a person his want because of your limitations, but nothing wrong, you empathize him or her. No? You should feel that if I am in that position, what I should do. Because they are very, last is you should align your purpose of life with all your activity. If a purpose of life, because what is the problem? We become wayward, or we lose our track in a long life. We don't know what will happen tomorrow. When I'll get up alive tomorrow, I don't know. Anybody knows? 3 minutes, if the oxygen is not supplied to your brain, you are dead. For any reason. So never think that what will happen after 3-4 days. No.
Kindly participants
The
mute
importance
yourself.
is the present. To conclude, you should concentrate and focus on present, because tomorrow is uncertain. It's a promissory check. Today is your cash in hand, and yesterday is your liability. Unless you focus on present, within quote, present time, present position, present role, present all the things, then you cannot do justice. To conclude, my request is people or everybody should not forget their core competency. You will enhance your immunity or enhance your emotional strength if you don't forget what you are, what for you are, what is your core strength. You may be a child, you may be a student, or you may be there's so many examples. I told you millions of examples whom I am addressing, my learned participants. They have millions of examples themselves. So I need not to bring home to this topic that what is your competency, what is empathize. So to conclude my talk, because the questions because this is such a topic where the question answer will be more important than a monologue or a one-sided talk. With this, I start because we started a bit late. But last but not the least, I always conclude with a story of 1 minute. There is a fight in emotion between your intellect and your heart. That is buddhi in Sanskrit, because the English words cannot translate Sanskrit, which is called buddhi. So the IQ, the intellectual quotient, IQ will tell you, you do this, you justify, you do that, you are an intelligent man, you do this. But your EQ, emotional quotient, will not misguide you. If you ask your heart, I don't mean your physiological, biological heart. Heart means with your vivek. Vivek means your conscience. So there's a fight between conscience and intellect. My request is you follow your conscience, which represents emotion to a great extent. So that will be strengthened or fortify your emotional power, emotional strength, because that conscience comes through godliness. God is the word godliness, God, because Ishwar, because it is not any religious, it's not any religious word. God is a very spiritual, supreme word. It may be your Muslim, your prophet, or in Christ, or our Sanatana Dharma, Hindu, the Jain, Mahavir, or Buddha. So you follow the godliness in your heart, which nobody knows where it is. That story knows, you know that story. It's just bear with me another half minute. The story says, when God wanted to give the man, that you are my best creature, you ask me a boon, what you want. So the man said, you give me godliness, okay? The best thing. God gave the godliness, but man misused the emotion, misused godliness, and do many nonsense, negative things, war, murder, all the things happen. So God became very unhappy. He kept that godliness, took it away from him. He put it in the highest place in the world. What is Mount Everest? Again, 1953, human being went to Mount Everest, 1953, got back the godliness and again misused. Again, God kept it in the moon. In 69, That man is so intelligent, went to moon, 1969, Neil Armstrong, and brought back that godliness, again misused. He put it in the Baikal, that is a deepest lake, again by submarine, by ship, submarine went deep inside the ocean and got back. So God told in the last line, God told this emotional weak man how to make him strong, how to fortify. So he kept the godliness within quote in the heart of the man. So now man is searching everywhere. Why this God has kept the godliness? Why is this my emotional strength and had gone? He's searching everywhere except his own heart. So let's search our own heart and take the godliness, be emotionally strong, and that immune power, emotional enhancement, that godliness will lead us to become a strong emotional being. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Now I request Dr. Subhendu Das to give his insight on the topic. But some of the participants have requested to speak in Hindi or Odia. So, sir, it will be better. So, I'm asking the audience which language you prefer, Hindi, Odia, or English. So, sir, please take care of the thing which has been suggested by the participants. Okay, sir, now the floor is up to you.
English, please.
Hello.
English only, please.
Okay, we'll take care of all the participants and good evening. Am I audible to all of you?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Yeah,
and
it's fine.
And is the
Yes,
screen
sir.
visible? And is the screen visible to all of you?
Yes, sir, it is visible. Participants, please mute yourself before so that sir can speak nicely. Yeah, it is audible, sir. Audible
Okay.
and screen is visible.
Okay, thank you, Malvika ma'am. So at the outset, I would like to thank Dr. Haraprasanna Das, the mentor and the pivot of Manav Adhyan Kendra, Ma'am Kirti Das, the secretary, R.K. Sutta, the chairman, and the team MAC for having given me this opportunity this evening to talk on a subject which has been really facilitated well by Dr. Jivitesh Rath. Jivitesh bhai, thank you very much. Apano already more kamata bahut easy kar dele, so that it will not be a tough task for me.
Thank you.
For the participants, I must thank all of you today. Dekhantu, aji hochi Sunday, Rabibar Sandhya. Apan mane chahithile you could have enjoyed a lovely movie in the TV or in the Netflix or in Amazon Prime or whatever it is, or you would have chatted with your family and friends and enjoyed this evening. Kintu apan mane, you are attending this program on a topic on emotional immunity, which shows that you have a tremendous commitment for yourself, your life, and your own well-being. So I must congratulate all of you for having spent your valuable time. आपण मानक बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद जे आपण आपनकर बहुमूल्य समय देई करी एठी आम इवनिंग रे ए टॉपिक ऊपर सुनुचंती. सेकेंडली किछि लोक चाहुचंती ओडिया रे, किछि लोक चाहुचंती हिंदी रे, एवं किछि लोक चाहुचंती इंग्लिश रे. तो मु कोन करिबी
Sir, excuse me, sir, 1 minute. Diptimai, please stop sharing your screen. The speaker will share his screen, so you please stop sharing your screen. Okay, sir. Thank you. Continue.
Okay. Participant मानो को मो रिक्वेस्ट अनुरोध करिबे ए डिस्कशन टाइम रे आपण आपनकर मोबाइल को टच करंतुनी. जदी आपण को सुना जाउची देखा जाउची दैट इज एनफ. आपण आपनकर स्क्रीन को वीडियो हो ऑडियो हो टच करके तासन खेलिले हमको डिस्टरबेंस होची. सो माय रिक्वेस्ट टू ऑल ऑफ यू टू प्लीज टेक केयर ऑफ योर वीडियो एंड ऑडियो म्यूटिंग. ओके. सो मु को कहया जाउतली जे आई विल यूज इंग्लिश, ओडिया भी मध्य व्यवहार करी. ऑल्सो मैं हिंदी में भी बीच में बोलूंगा, सो दैट वी विल हैव ए खिचड़ी And all of you know khichdi is very good for your health, and it boosts immunity also, right? So let us have khichdi and move ahead. So basically ଆମେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଇମୋଶନାଲ ଇମ୍ୟୁନିଟି ବିଷୟରେ କହୁଛୁ, ଆମେ ମାନେ ପ୍ରଥମେ ଚାହୁଁଛୁ ଯେ ଇମୋଶନାଲ ଇମ୍ୟୁନିଟି କାହା ପାଇଁ, for whom? So it is for our own life, ଆମର ନିଜ ଜୀବନ ପାଇଁ ଆମକୁ ଇମ୍ୟୁନିଟି ଦରକାର। କାହିଁକି ମଣିଷ ଗୋଟେ ଏମିତି ବିଚିତ୍ର ପ୍ରାଣୀ ଯିଏ କି ତା ନିଜକୁ ଛଡା ସିଏ ଆଉ କାହାକୁ ଭଲ ପାଏନି, ସିଏ ଚାहे ମୁଁ ବଞ୍ଚିକି ରହିବି, I have to remain alive forever, so I must enjoy my life। ତେଣୁ କରି ଆମେ ଯଦି ଦେଖିବା ଆମର ଲାଇଫରେ ଯୋଉ ବିଭିନ୍ନ ଦିଗ ସବୁ ଅଛି, ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଅଫ ଅଲ୍ ଯଦି ଆପଣ ଦେଖିବେ ପ୍ରଥମ ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟ ୱିଥ୍ ଆୱାର ଫିଜିକାଲ, ଆମର ଶାରୀରିକ ଡାଇମେନସନ ଗୋଟେ ଅଛି ଆମ ଦେହ। ଆଉ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଏଇ କରୋନା ଟାଇମରେ ସମସ୍ତେ ଦେଖିବେ ଆପଣ ମାନେ ସବୁ ଛାନିଆ ହେଇଛନ୍ତି ଯେ ମତେ କେମିତି କରୋନା ନ ହଉ। So we are more focused on the physical dimension now, but emotion टा केमिति physical को impact पकोची बा प्रभाव पकोची आमे सेटा को आगु डिस्कस करिया। Second is our mental dimension of our life. Third is the emotional dimension of our life जोटा कि आज हमें फोकस करछु। आउ अपन माने देखिबे there are other dimensions like ecological dimensions बा our environmental dimension बा our social dimension बा आमे जो कल्चर जो जगह रहउछु बा जो माहौल में हमें अच्छो से कल्चरल डायमेंशन एंड अल्टीमेटली द स्पिरिचुअल डायमेंशन। तेणु करी एठी जदि आपण देखिबे, इफ यू ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इमोशन इज, जीवेश भाई बहुत सुंदर भाव में बुझाई देले अबाउट इमोशन। तेणु करी इमोशन इज अ वेरी सिंपल थिंग, लाइक समथिंग व्हिच इज नॉट विजिबल। इमोशन होछि कोन ना, इट्स अ वेरी स्ट्रांग फीलिंग which can be derived from the circumstances of environment, right? From the mood, our जो mood हुए मन बा आमर मनर अवस्था। और थर्ड होची परस्पर सहित जो आमर संपर्क रिलेशनशिप, that also affects our emotions। और इमोशन गोटे एमती जिनस जोटी कि आपनकर नॉलेज ज्ञान बा रीजनिंग से सब काम करबनी। It is something very instinctive or intuitive, right? तेणु करी आमे जदि देखिबा इमोशन कोन, basically if you see emotions, I'm touching upon some basic thing, basic fundamental बा basic details को मु जाउनी समयर अभाव जोगुरु। So basically emotions are like happiness, sadness, भय, disgust जोड़ा हमें विरक्त हो जाऊ, क्रोध, एंगर एवं आश्चर्य, सरप्राइज। आपण माने जो देखिबे प्रत्येक निज जदि आपण टिके एनालाइज करिवे, केतेबेले आपण खुशी अनुभव करंती, केतेबेले बहुत उत्साहित हो जाती, एक्साइटेड हो जाती, केतेबेले आपण को बहुत टेंडरनेस बा करुणा आसी जाए, केतेबेले आपण भयभीत हो जाती, स्केयर्ड हो जाती, बेले बेले हमें बहुत दुखी हो जाऊ एवं समय समय हमको बहुत क्रोध आसी जाए। सो ये जो डिफरेंट एस्पेक्ट गुडा हमें जदि देखिबा तार भी अन्यान्य कॉम्बिनेशंस बा डायट गुडा भी अच्छी, किछि किछि बेसिक इमोशंस कॉम्बिनेशन रे अपन देखिबे जोठी आपनकर किछि एंटीसिपेट करछन बा किछि अपेक्षा रहउची एवं आपण फील करछन जे मु जहा चाहूची सेटा जदि मिली जीव, से जो खुशीटा मते आसीबो, दैट शोज ऑप्टिमिज्म। जोठी खुशी अछि एवं ट्रस्ट अछि, विश्वास अछि, सेठी प्रेम अछि। सो लाइक दिस इफ यू सी ए जो डायग्राम ता मु देखौची एठी आपनकर हमर जो इमोशंस रो डिफरेंट एस्पेक्ट्स अछि, डायड अछि, माने जोड़ी जोड़ी हेकरी तार आउटकम अछि। गोटे हला प्राइमरी लेवल, गोटे हला सेकेंडरी लेवल, आ गोटे हला टर्शियरी लेवल। तेणु कर एठी अपन देखन जो डिफरेंट सब जाक जो अछि सेथरे अपन देखिबे एनवी बा ईर्ष्या, सिनिसिज्म बा नकारात्मक, गर्व, आशा, गिल्ट, क्यूरियोसिटी, despair, shame, outrage, ये सब जाक देखिए जदि these are nothing but different aspects or types of emotions। आउ आपण समस्त all of you must have gone through this। निश्चय किसी ना किसी सिचुएशन रे डे टू डे अगर आपण को चाकरी हो, बिजनेस हो, परिवार मध्य रे हो, सामाजिक अवस्था रे हो, आपण माने निश्चय किसी ना किसी ए विषय रे अनुभव करथिबे। एवं वर्तमान स्पेशली ए जो कोविड टाइम रे मु फील करछि आपण आहुरी बेसी भयभीत थे किंतु कथा होचे आमे समस्त जानो जे हमर फिजिकल इम्यूनिटी पाए आजिकल अपन व्हाट्सएप रे हो टीवी रे हो विभिन्न डिजिटल मीडिया रे हो सोशल मीडिया हो सब आडे अपन देखछन्ते जे हमको फिजिकल इम्यूनिटी बढ़ाया पे हमको कोन खाया पड़िबो काहा खाया पियो कोन करिया पड़ियो एक्सरसाइज ऑल दिस थिंग बट गोटे बेसिक जिंस मु अपन मन को क्लियर करिया चाहू छी जे फिजिकल immunity is nothing but an outcome of our emotional aspects कहीं आमर इमोशन रो आमर शरीर ऊपर ट्रेमेंडस प्रभाव अछि राइट फॉर एग्जांपल अपन देखंतो एंगर वीकेंस योर लिवर अपन जदी बेसी क्रोधी होती अपन के लिवर वीक हे जिवो अपन जदी बेसी दुखी होतिबे अपन को लंग्स प्रॉब्लम थिबो आ अपन मार्क करथे जो मानकर अस्थमा प्रॉब्लम थिबो ब्रोंकाइटिस प्रॉब्लम थिबो साइनस प्रॉब्लम थियो बा समथिंग रिलेटिंग टू योर ब्रीदिंग सिस्टम अपन देखिथिए सेमानक लाइफ रे बहुत दुख थिबो यू कैन क्रॉस चेक एंड आस्क दोस पीपल अपन को जो माने व्यस्त होते सब चिंतित होते वरी थिबो अपन देखिए ताको डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम बा इंटेस्टाइन में किछ ना किछ प्रॉब्लम थिबो जो माने अपन देखिए सब बेले बहुत स्ट्रेस थिबे चिंताग्रस्त रहउथिबे प्रेशर रहउथिबे ताकर हार्ट और ब्रेन रे किछ किछ वीकनेस थिबो किछ प्रॉब्लम थिबो आ जो मान को मन रे अपन देखुते भय बहुत रहउतबो ताकर किडनी रे भी प्रॉब्लम थिबो सो दीज आर सम ऑफ द लिंक ऑफ इमोशन विथ आवर ओके तेणु कर कथा होची इमोशनल इम्यूनिटी कोन सेटा कोठु आसीबो केमिति आसीबो सो लेट मी टेक यू थ्रू दैट जर्नी राइट फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इमोशनल इम्यूनिटी बुझिया को हेले मु आपन गोटे सिंपल एग्जांपल दोची अपन माने समस्ते टीवी देखुथिबे मूवी देखुथिबे राइट मोबाइल रे अपन सब जिंस देखचंती किंतु अल्टीमेटली जत्ते बेले अपन को टीवी स्क्रीन हो बा लैपटॉप स्क्रीन हो बा मोबाइल स्क्रीन हो अपन जत्ते से पिक्चरटा देखचंती अपन भावचन दैट इज द फिजिकल एस्पेक्ट किंतु से जो पिक्चरटा आसुची कोठु केमिति आसुची सो से जो रेडियो इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक वेव जोटा आसे सेटा हमें कहीं देखि पानो सेम थिंग अप्लाइज टू योर मोबाइल नेटवर्क आल्सो अपन जो इंटरनेट देखचंती ए सब जो वायरलेस मीडियम रे सो सेटा हमें देखि पानो बट तार अल्टीमेट मैनिफेस्टेशन जतले हमें स्क्रीन रे देखुछु हमें सेटा फिजिकल एस्पेक्ट देखि पाछु सिमिलरली इमोशन इज समथिंग व्हिच इज नॉट विजिबल it is like the radioactive or electromagnetic wave so हम जदी हमको निजुक जदी एनालिसिस करबा इफ यू आस्क योरसेल्फ जे मु किए अपन निजुक पचारंतु अपन किए कैन आई गेट सम रेस्पॉन्स somebody can unmute and respond to my question if I मु जदी अपन पचारी अपन किए any response
I am a teacher.
Teacher, that is your profession. That is not you. That is
Yes,
your
sir.
Who are you?
Hello.
I am Samarendra Sahu.
That is your label given.
I am a soul. I am a soul.
अच्छा soul के कहले? Can you
Yes, AK Sahu. AK Sahu.
Sahu बाबू, thank you very much. अपन पूरा बुल्स आई रे पूरा माने एरो टाको हिट कर देछंती. Okay. ଆଉ ଏବେ ଗୋଟେ ମୁଁ मूवी देखଥିଲି बुल साइट को कहा जाउची सांड की आंख राइट सो यू हैव हिट द सांड की आंख ओके सो बेसिकली हमें देखिबा वी आर ए सोल जाको हमें आत्मा कहूछु एज लॉन्ग एज वी आर इन दिस बॉडी ए बॉडी ए जो हम शरीरटा ଗୋଟେ मशीन भया जेमति हमें कार ड्राइव करछु गोटे कार ते कोन आपे आपे चल जीवो की तादे ड्राइवर बसिबो से स्टार्ट करिवो स्टीयरिंग धरिबो ताले गाड़ी चलिबो Similarly, a जो बॉडी अच्छी हमारे it is the like a car सेठी जपंत से ड्राइवर नहीं से गाड़ी चलीबनी so we are nothing but this soul और बॉडी भी अपन देखिबे जदी साइंटिफिकली अपन माने समस्त आइंस्टाइन का थ्योरी जानथिबे E is equal to mc square right E होची कोन एनर्जी m हला मास और c हला स्पीड ऑफ लाइट तामने mass is equal to energy is equal to mass into speed of light square और सेटा प्रूव करूची जे energy and mass is interconvertible शक्ति एवं स्थूलता एटा कनेक्टेड अछि जेमिति हमर ए जो बॉडी अछि ए बॉडी होछि बहुत एनर्जी रो कंडेंस्ड फॉर्म ऑफ एनर्जी राइट सो we are a soul और ए आत्मा होछि गोटे चैतन्य शक्ति एभली गोटे शक्ति जोटा कि इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी हो मैकेनिकल एनर्जी हो टाइडल एनर्जी हो हीट एनर्जी हो केमिकल एनर्जी हो ए सबुठ अलगा काहे के ना ए एनर्जी रो निजर गोटे चिंता करिवार शक्ति अछि जोटा कि अन्य को एनर्जी रे नाही दैट इज व्हाई आपको कहा जाए चैतन्य शक्ति और ए आत्मा रो तार डिफरेंट एस्पेक्ट्स अछि प्रथम एस्पेक्ट हला आपनकर मन बा माइंड मन होछि घोड़ा बळे चंचल एठ आपण माने सुनछन्ते किंतु आपण 100% ग्यारंटी दे कहि परिबी आपण मन आ भीतर क्वाड क्वाड बुलथुओ बा आपण मापने आपनकर का संग गपुथिबे म्यूट कर दे कि आपनकर मोबाइल रे व्हाट्सएप देखु त डेफिनेटली मन बहुत घोड़ा बळे चंचल ए मन रो भी केतेडे फंक्शंस अछि जेंते प्रथम हला थॉट बा संकल्प सेकंड हला फीलिंग्स बा भावना थर्ड हला परसेप्शन बा हम दृष्टिकोण और चतुर्थ हला मेमोरी बा स्मृति राइट तेणु करी ए जो मन अछि मनर केमिति होछि ना ए मनटा हमरो एक्सटर्नल स्टिमुली बा बाह्यर प्रभाव हो बा इंटरनल इमोशन बा किछि पास्ट एक्सपीरियंस हो बा किछि इंसिडेंट्स हो बा मेमोरी हो सेठु जदी किछि फ्लैश आछि सो दैट क्रिएट्स थॉट बा संकल्प एवं ए जो संकल्पटा होछि तार जो एक्सटर्नल ट्रिगर होछि कोन हमर पांचटा इंद्रिय सीइंग हियरिंग टचिंग स्मेलिंग सेंसिंग माने हमर आखी कान नाक जिभ एवं चमड़ा एक्सटर्नल ट्रिगर इंटरनली कोन होछि हमर ए जो इमोशन गुडा को लाइक फ्रस्ट्रेशन बोर्डम लोनलीनेस एंगर हेट्रेड जो मो देखैली आपन को ऑल दिस थिंग्स बा अब मन रे जदी किछि इमेजिनरी पिक्चर्स आसुछि बेस्ड ऑन आवर एक्सपीरियंस भलो हो खराब हो जा भी हो सेरा सब इमोशन आकारे हमकु अफेक्ट करछि सेकेंड होछि हमर बुद्धि जेंते जीविका सब कहउतले बुद्धि होछि कोन ना हमर घोड़ा रो लगाम भलिया घोड़ा एपट सेपट जाउतले बुद्धि ताको कंट्रोल करबो ना डोंट डू दिस सो इट इज द क्रिटिकल फैकल्टी ऑफ आवर्स जे कि विभिन्न ऑप्शन को एनालाइज करे इवैल्यूएट करे गोटे सिचुएशन को एवं हमर कोटा सठिक कोटा भूल कोटा उचित कोटा अनुचित आपको हमको डिसीजन नबारे इंटेलेक्ट बा बुद्धि हमको बहुत हेल्प करे थर्ड होची हमर संस्कार बा हमें जोटा कहा जाए पूर्व जन्मर संचरित कर्मफल जोटा को ट्रेसेस ऑफ प्रीवियस बर्थ एटा कोन होबे हमर अपन माने विश्वास करंतु कि न करंतु बट आई बिलीव इन दिस पुनर्जन्म हमर जत्ते सब पूर्व जन्मर जहां जहां हमर रेकॉर्डिंग हे कि अछि हमर भितरे इन डोमिनेंट फॉर्म हो लैटेंट फॉर्म हो ये सब जाक हमर अंतर्निहित गुण भाबरे एटा को आसे तणु करे इमोशन बुझिया खले हमर जो थॉट बा ए जो वाइब्रेशन थॉट इज नथिंग बट हमर जो आत्मार जो शक्तिटा अछि सूक्ष्म शक्तिटा तार गोटे वाइब्रेशन एवं ए वाइब्रेशन आसे केमिति हमर पास्ट संस्कार रु आसे पास्ट मेमोरीज बा स्मृति रु आसे बा हमर शरीर रु आसे बा हम परिवेश जो लोक माने अछन्ते तांकर प्रभाव रु भी आसे हमर जो घर द्वार जमी बाड़ी गाड़ी घोड़ा पोजीशंस मटेरियल पोजीशन सेथुरु भी आसे बा कोनसी परिस्थिति रु मध्य आसे विभिन्न प्रकार थॉट्स तेल को सेलु कई एक माने हमर स्क्रिप्चर रे कहा जाय छी आमे कोन आमे जेभली भाबिबा हमर जेमति संकल्प होबा आमे सेही भलिया होबा सो व्हाटएवर आवर थॉट्स आर दैट मैनिफेस्ट एज आवर रियलिटी सेते कहा जाय छी जद भावम तद भवति आमे जेमति भाबिबा आमे जेमति प्रकार संकल्प को एंटरटेन करिबा हमर जेमति प्रकार इमोशंस को हम नबा आमे सेमति हे जिबा राइट तणु करे थॉट को जदि आमे टिके बुझियो चेष्टा करिबा इट इज नथिंग बट एन एनर्जी और वाइब्रेशन अब हमर जो प्राणिक शक्ति अछि साइकिक प्राण तार एटा ला गोटे वाइब्रेशन आ एई वाइब्रेशन थोरे बाहरी गला पर केबे नष्ट होवेनी इट रिमेन्स फॉरएवर एंड इट इज फाइनर देन ईथर ईथर अपन मन सब जानि थिबे जेमति हमें माने वायु अछि हम वायुमंडल अछि किंतु हमें वायु को केबे देखि छै कि देखिने तो वायुटा केते सूक्ष्म तेणु कर ए इथर होची वायुठू मध्य आहुरी सूक्ष्मतर जोटा कि आम ग्रह नक्षत्र मझे जो गैप अच्छी से इथरटा प्रेजेंट अच्छी तेणु कर ए इथरटा केते सूक्ष्मतर हेतिबो ताठू आहुरी सूक्ष्मतर होची हमर संकल्प शक्ति आ ए संकल्प शक्ति ट्रैवल्स मच फास्टर देन लाइट हमर आलोक जो स्पीड जाए ताठू मध्य आहुरी स्पीड रे जाए तेणु करी हमर संकल्प शक्तिटा केबे नष्ट होइनी दे आर फाइनर सूक्ष्म डायनामिक शक्ति हमर संकल्प शक्ति कहार रोग को मध्य भल कर दे पारे जेमति आपण रेकी ना सुनिथिबे सामना रे हो बा डिस्टेंट हीलिंग हो सेटा भी करि परिबो हमर थॉट बा संकल्प अन्य लोकंकर मेंटालिटी मध्य चेंज कर दे पारे एटा को मो लाइफ रे बहुत निजे एक्सपेरिमेंट करछि एंड आई एक्सपीरियंस माय सेल्फ थॉट मूव्स फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर आपण हठात गोटे कार फोन आसी गेला आपण कहबे अरे तू 100 वर्ष बंचू एबे मु तो कथा भाबुथली आई एम श्योर ऑल ऑफ यू मस्ट हैव एक्सपीरियंस्ड इट आउ थॉट सब जाक चिंता तैयारी करे इट क्रिएट्स एवरीथिंग सो हमें जहां देखुछु इट इज लाइक आवर क्रिएशन ऑफ द थॉट तेणु करी थॉट इज द रूट ऑफ ऑल मेंटल प्रोसेस हम मन रे क्या भी होची थॉट होची तार जड़ I think somebody has again unmuted sound of please
Yeah,
unmute.
Diptimai madam, please stop sharing your screen.
आपण मोबाइल को
Diptimai
टच
madam.
करंतु मोबाइल को टच करंतु मु मूलर कहिथिली
Diptimai madam, are you listening? Please stop sharing your screen. Diptimai madam.
नहीं जे कथा माननांती ताको आपण बाहर कर दियंतो let others do not suffer from this individual.
Susmita madam, please take care of this issue because she is the host.
तांको स्क्रीन गलानी कि ना नहीं देखा जाउची
ना जाइनी देखा जाउची दीप्तिमय मैडम, दीप्तिमय मैडम, are you listening? Please stop sharing your screen.
दीप्तिमय मैडम आपण स्क्रीन शेयरिंग ता बंद करंतो नले आपे आपण को बाध्य है कि बाहर कर दबु काई आपण को जोगर समस्तंकर डिस्टरबेंस होची एवं हमर टाइम रो अपचय होची
Okay sir, continue because we are
Okay.
running short of time.
ओके सो थॉट अब जो संकल्प शक्ति अपन देखिबे जहां भी होची everything is a creation of our thought. So thought has a weight, shape, size, form, color, quality, power, name, everything. अपन मन को जो कहले मो ना होचे एके साहू के मो ना मालविका के मो ना जीवितेश एटा भी गोटे ताहार संकल्प राइट सो एवरीथिंग इज आवर थॉट तेणु करी एज ए सोल आत्मा हिसाब से हमको दरकार कौन बेसिकली प्रत्येक आत्मा अपन देखो अपन जहां भी करंतो लाइफ रे बा जहां भी आज करचंती अल्टीमेटली सबु आत्मा आमे माने चाहू सातटा जिंस कौन कौन सुख शांति आनंद प्रेम ज्ञान शक्ति पवित्रता ओके ए सातटा जिंस जदि जहार किछि शॉर्टेज थिबो बा किछि कमी थिबो ताहले अपन देखिबे से साइड रे जो जो रोग लेखा छि सेही रोग होथबो राइट तेणु करी इमोशन जो हमर होची इट इज ए क्रिएशन ऑफ आवर इंटरनल फीलिंग्स भावना रु आरंभ होची एवं हमर ब्रेन बा हमर ए जो प्राण शक्ति हमर बॉडी रो जत्ते सब सेल अछि ताको सब बेले एनर्जी वेव छाड़े तेणु करी आपण माने जानथिबे ईसीजी ईईजी ईएमजी ए सब एनर्जी जो ट्रांसमिट होची टू डिफरेंट पार्ट्स ए सब जाको हमें मेजर भी करि परचु टुडे थ्रू साइंटिफिक इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स तेणु करी थॉट्स जदि हम नेगेटिव थॉट्स एंटरटेन करिबा बा नेगेटिव इमोशनल फीलिंग्स आनिबा ए सब जाको कोन करा होची हमको रोग को नै जाउची जोटा हमर फिजिकल इम्यूनिटी डाउन हे जोटा हम कहउछो काहे कि ना जदि हम नेगेटिव थॉट एंटरटेन करिबा सब जाको जत्ते सब नेगेटिव बा हार्मफुल हार्मोन्स सच लाइक एपिनेफ्राइन हो नॉन एपिनेफ्राइन हो कॉर्टिसोल हो ए सब जाको होची तेणु करी हम थॉट टाइप अनुसार मध्य हमर सब विभिन्न प्रकार फोटो विभिन्न कलर भी अच्छे आजिकल गोटे टेक्नोलोजी बाहरी गलानी जे किरिलियन फोटोग्राफी से आपण गोटे लोकर सूक्ष्म शरीर पिक्चर नहीं गले तार कलर आप गेस करें से लोकर मेंटालिटी केमती हेतिबो बा तार कोन रोग अछि बा इवन यू कैन प्रेडिक्ट जे को टाइप रोग भी ताकू हेई पारे राइट फॉर एग्जांपल ए जो वाइब्रेशन कथा मु कहूची ऑल ऑफ अस आर ए बंडल ऑफ एनर्जी अपन जदि सेल को आउ डिसेक्ट करिवे अल्टीमेटली इट विल गो टू एटम एटम को आउरी फर्दर डिसेक्ट कले जाय कि अल्टीमेटली न्यूट्रॉन प्रोटॉन बोसन पदन जीव और अल्टीमेटली व्हाट इज बोसन बोसन इज नथिंग बट ए बंडल ऑफ एनर्जी तेणु के प्रत्येक जीव हो बा निर्जीव पदार्थ हो सबुर गोटे वाइब्रेशन अछि और द यूनिट ऑफ मेजरिंग वाइब्रेशन इज हर्ट्ज तेणु करी वर्तमान जो कोविड-19 वायरस अछि तार वाइब्रेशन होची 5.5 हर्ट्ज ओनली आउ जदी ताकू हमें 25.5 हर्ट्ज टू अधिका वाइब्रेशन दबा से मरि जिवो तेणु करी फॉर ह्यूमन बीइंग्स हमें जदी हायर वाइब्रेशन को क्रिएट करिबा ताले कोविड इन्फेक्शन इज नथिंग बिफोर आउ लो वाइब्रेशन रो कारण कोन ए सब जत्ते सब नेगेटिव इमोशन अपन देखिबे भय फोबिया suspicion, anxiety, stress, tension, jealousy, ईर्ष्या प्रवणता, घृणा, लोभ, attachment, क्रोध, right? pain, cough, ये सब अपन जते जो देखचंती तार सब वाइब्रेशन मेजरमेंट मु देछि देखो केते वीक वाइब्रेशन सब तेणु करी आपको जदि हमें कन्वर्ट कर दबा टू हायर वाइब्रेशन like for example generosity udarata 95 hertz gratitude 150 hertz compassion लोगों के प्रति करुणा 150 hertz or more prema daya 150 hertz or more unconditional or universal love 205 hertz and more प्रार्थना ईश्वर को जो हम प्रार्थना करछो मेडिटेशन जड़ा में करछो ध्यान करछो हाई वाइब्रेशन if we can entertain higher vibration through positive emotional aspects ताहले we can boost our immunity system और हमें जितने higher vibration create करिबा कोविड कोन ता बापा असले भी सब जाक नष्ट हे जबे so nothing to worry so what is needed is how by this process of enhancing positive emotions we can develop or enhance our emotional immunity. So now I would invite a lot of questions from you if you have any. Otherwise, if you need to know more about this or any other topic, these are my contact coordinates. You can take a screenshot and you can be in touch with me. I can help you in your success journey. Thank you, Malavika ma'am, for this opportunity. If there are any questions, please take up. Thank you. Namaskar Samastako.
I request all the participants to write if they have any questions in the chat box, or you can, if you want to ask, you can unmute and ask. Otherwise, it is better if you will write in the chat box. Yes, sir.
Hello, I'm AK Sahu. Hello, am I audible, sir? Sir, thank you, sir. Thank you very much for your powerful presentation. Particularly, I like the most regarding the how to create a higher level of vibration. So that is very, very useful, sir. So I'm very much thankful, sir. Just I wanted to show my gratitude to you regarding that positive vibration. So thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
So you have started creating positive vibration by expressing your gratitude.
Yeah,
fantastic, fantastic.
Thank you, sir. It was a nice presentation. Very nice, sir.
Any other questions by anybody else? अन्य मानकर आउ किछि कार प्रश्न अछि कि?
In the chat box, I don't find any questions.
Hello, sir. Actually, ମୁଁ ଆଉଟେ ଜାଣିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଥିଲି ଯେ ଇମୋସନ କେମିତି ଡିଜିଜ ସହିତ ବଡିରେ ଆଟାଚ ଅଛି ସେଟା ମୁଁ ଜାଣିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଥିଲି.
Okay, I will take you to this slide up. देखा जाउछे स्लाइड ता
वो स्लाइड कहले जो चैट बॉक्स रे
ना जो स्लाइड शेयरिंग देखाउछे
नहीं सर खाली तो आपनकर इमेज मुहटा भल से देखा परिष्कार आप इमेज देखा
नहीं मु जो स्क्रीन शेयर ता बंद एपतो बंद करनी तो
सर एटा बहुत छोटो देखा होची ताको फुल स्क्रीन कर देले पूरा
Okay.
आसीबो
ए बेसला
नो सर
ओके
माने छोटो है कि देखा होची
ओके मु आउथर
What it is
आउथर
visible?
ओके मु आउथर स्टार्ट कर दोची let me again share the screen ओके एबे आसला
yes sir.
हाँ सर एबे आसला
ओके देखंतु आपण प्रत्येक आत्मा आपण देखंतु आपण जो कार्य करचंती आपण टीचर थांतु बिजनेस करंतु चाकरी करंतु व्हाटएवर यू आर डूइंग आमे जते मटेरियल एसेट करचु फैमिली करचु घर घोड़ा गाड़ी जा भी आमे चाहूचु अल्टीमेटली कोन पे आमे अल्टीमेट इशू हला त हम दरकार कोन अल्टीमेटली हमको सुख दरकार हैप्पीनेस दरकार शांति दरकार पीस आनंद दरकार ब्लिस प्रेम दरकार लव ज्ञान दरकार नॉलेज शक्ति दरकार पावर एवं पवित्रता दरकार प्यूरिटी आउ ए सब जिनस जदि आपन भीतर किछि डेफिशिएंसी हे गला धरन तो आपन खुशी नहांती आपन देखिबे आपन शरीर रे आपन हजम ठीक से हबनी आपन इंटेस्टाइन रे प्रॉब्लम हबो एमीबिएट डिसेंट्री हबो गैस प्रॉब्लम हबो ऑल दिस थिंग्स हबो राइट धरन तो आपन पाके शांति नाही लाइफ रे आपन जो शांति रो कमी अछि आपन देखिबे आपन जो ब्रीदिंग सिस्टम अछि रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टम अछि आपन आजमा बा जोटा को हमें कोटा दमा जोटा कहूचो बा आपन को फेरिंजाइटिस हला लैरिंजाइटिस हला नाजल जो साइनस प्रॉब्लम हला एसो प्रॉब्लम हबो and all these have been scientifically tested and proven बहुत रिसर्च हे साचारी पर जेमति आपन पाखे धरन आनंदर शॉर्टेज अछि आनंदर डेफिसिट अछि आपन को क्रिएटिविटी आपन प्रोडक्टिविटी सिस्टम रे किछि प्रॉब्लम थिबो धरन तो आपन को के भलो पाउनांती आपन माने प्रेम खोचन किंतु के का आपन भल पाउनांती आपन देखिबे आपन ब्लड सर्कुलेशन सिस्टम बा हार्ट रे प्रॉब्लम आसीबो धरन तो आपन पाखे नॉलेज रो शॉर्टेज अछि अपन देखिए अपन जो ब्रेन जो प्रोसेस करे इन डिसीजन मेकिंग हो बा एनालिटिकल स्किल्स हो कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स हो एथे टिके प्रॉब्लम आसीबो ता छडा अपन समस्त सब आत्मा चाहे वो शक्तिशाली होवा पे अब अपन पाके जे शक्ति रे शॉर्टेज हे गेला अपन को नर्वस सिस्टम जोटा अछि ब्रेन टू आरंभ करी के अपन जते सब नर्व जाईची अपन देखिए सेटा जो जेंते अल्जाइमर्स डिजीज हे गेला पार्किंसन डिजीज हला ए सब जाको प्रॉब्लम आस जाय पारे आ पवित्रता ले एंटायर और जे पंच इंद्रिय होचे एंटायर पर्सनालिटी अपन प्रोफाइल को मध्ये अफेक्ट करिवो तणु करी ए सब इमोशंस रो अपन को फिजिकल एस्पेक्ट को बहुत अफेक्ट करे मु जोडा कहिली एनर्जी एंड मास इज इंटर कन्वर्टेबल हमें जो प्रकार वाइब्रेशंस प्रत्येक सेल को दबा सेल सेही भलिया हे जिवो हमर जो सेल अछि ना our body is nothing but a composition of cells सेल रो ऑर्गन होची ऑर्गन रो हम शरीर होची तंको प्रत्येक मुहूर्त रे हमर जो सोल बा आत्मा प्रत्येक सेल को एनर्जी ट्रांसमिट करे तंको जदि हम पॉजिटिव वाइब्रेशन दबा पॉजिटिव हेल्थ रहइबो हमर इम्यूनिटी सिस्टम स्ट्रांग रहइबो एंड वी विल बी वेरी हैप्पी और फिजिकली अपन मन जानथिबे बॉडी एंड माइंड रो पूरा इंटरकनेक्टेड अपन माइंड जदि खुशी है बॉडी ऑटोमेटिकली हेल्दी होइबो आ धरतु दुई जन लोक अछंती एका रोग होईची एवं एटा भी स्टडी करी देखा होईची जो लोक मनटा पॉजिटिव थिबो स्ट्रांग थिबो तारो रोगर हीलिंग प्रोसेस विल बी मच फास्टर देन अ नेगेटिव थिंकिंग पीपल आ ए कोरोनाटा एटा मोर ऑफ ए साइकोलॉजिकल डिजीज आपन देखो तो जो माने प्रकृत रे कोरोना रे मरुचंती इट इज बिकॉज ऑफ सम अदर डिजीज नॉट बिकॉज ऑफ कोरोना तेणु करी ए जो अन्य कोरोनाटा जो भयटा क्रिएट करछि दैट इज अ प्रॉब्लम so once you remove that bhaya and once you start creating higher level of vibration within your emotional state अपन देखिबे अपन कर इमोशनल इम्यूनिटी बढ़ जिवो आ थरे इमोशनल इम्यूनिटी बढ़ी गेला परे फिजिकल इम्यूनिटी इज बाउंड टू गो आई एम क्लियर टू यू
Thank you, sir, for the nice explanation. There are two more questions in the chat box. From one from Suresh Mali, that he want to know how to overcome anxiety.
तो ये क्वेश्चन टा कहाँ को एड्रेस करछन्ती से जीवितेश बाबू को ना मते
Suresh Mali, he has not mentioned anything. I think Suresh Mali, sir, from whom you want the answer?
Sir, can I answer this audible? Yeah.
हाँ you are audible जीवितेश भाई please say.
Hello.
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Hello. Okay.
Yes, sir, you are
There are two
audible.
questions, in fact, madam. Yeah, there are two questions. One is anxiety, another Dhiren Kumar Raut, how to avoid bad thoughts. Okay. There, it has a link. Bad thoughts है कि anxiety है it is natural process. Emotion जो vibration कथा हम सुधांशु बाबू कहले शुभेंदु सेटा होची natural process. Emotion टा गोटे माने interplay of many factors, psychosomatic factors, निजर psychological factors, निजर environmental factors जो सब कहते तो तब avoid करा पे हेले मु कहते आपन example देथिली जो एनवायरमेंट फैक्टर टाको आपण केतटा मिनिमाइज करा पड़िबो माने जो आपण पारिपार्श्विक परिस्थिति जो अछि जोटा आपण इन्फ्लुएंस करूची जोटा आपण अफेक्ट करूची एंजाइटी क्रिएट करूची से को जिंस हो से फाइनेंशियल एंजाइटी हो कि जीव बाहाई पाना ता पाठ पढ़ा हो एनीथिंग ताको एंजाइटी क्रिएट करूचंती सेटा को अवॉइड करा पड़िबो मिनिमाइज करि परिबो थ्रू योर इमोशनल कोसेंट इन द सेंस ताको आपण को जदी स्ट्रांग रहबे भितरे आपण भाबबे नाही दिस इज नॉट बाय बियॉन्ड कंट्रोल डे काटने का बही पढ़थिबे स्टॉप और स्टार्ट लिविंग वर्ल्ड फेमस बाय मिलियंस बुक्स डे काटने लिखितिले आपण लिखि देबे कागज रे 1 2 3 4 करके काई के एंजाइटी होउची काई के आपण बैड थॉट आसुची सेथरे पांचटी पॉइंट लिखिले ताकू लिखिबे एइटा को मो अंडर कंट्रोल अछि ना एइ एंजाइटी आसुची बाहर लोक मते दउचंती बाहर लोक दउचंती बाहर लोक होउची तो आपण कुछ करिया नै सेथरे ताको अवॉइड करिवे तो निज प्रॉब्लम ऑफ एंजाइटी आसुची तो से लिखाई छी हाउ टू स्टॉप और स्टार्ट लिविंग बई नाटा ताको देखिबे जे तो करी ताको आपण निज कंट्रोल लो निज करिवे अन्य कंट्रोल जो अछि एंजाइटी अन्य फैक्टर अछि ताको मिनिमाइज करके अवॉइड करिवे एटा कहबाटा सहज करबाटा कठिन किंतु एटा होची रियल लाइफ सिचुएशन रियल लाइफ सिचुएशन रे एटा सब बहुत आसे मु आउट लास्ट एग्जांपल दोची एंजाइटी एंड थॉट देखंतु सुधांशु बाबू शुभेंदु बाबू कहले दिस न्यूरॉन ब्रेन ऑल द थिंग्स नो एटा अब्दुल कलाम ना सुनथिबे प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया थिले से अति माने पिला मानु भल पांत से कहउथिले एटा फैक्ट ए जो माने मेंटली रिटार्डेड पिला जो मानकर एंजाइटी नाही किछि नाही बाहर कुछ एक्सप्रेस कर पांस माने धाय तमे 50 मीटर दौड़ हैला पांचटी पिला से 50 मीटर दौड़ रे गोटे पिलाटे पड़ी गला हम भाई तो पागला पिला माने तांगा एंजाइटी अछि तांगर न्यूरॉन ठीक नाही तांको इमोशन ठीक नाही कि समस्त पिला ठियाई पड़ले तो जे नॉर्मल पिला ही थांता से धाई धाई पड़ी थांता अन्य माने कंप्यूटर किंतु सेमान ठियाई कि 5 जन हाथ धरा धरी हे कि जो उठेले पिलाटी 50 मीटर सांग हो कि ता माने कोन कहउचे एटा या होची इमोशन टार सहित बाहर फैक्टर मध्ये बेसी लिंक हुए किंतु करिया कथा नुहे ए पिला माने जदियो मेंटली रिटार्डेड से धाउतेले ता सांग को हाथ उठेले समस्त चल चली जाय कि समस्त फास्ट हेले समस्त एका बेले अर्थ होची तो बाहर फैक्टर को मिनिमाइज करिवे और निज भीतर जो अछि इमोशन ता ताको स्ट्रांग करिवे सेटा होची माने प्रैक्टिकल एग्जांपल दा सो मेनी एग्जांपल से निजो करिया पड़िबो थैंक यू
ओके सुरेश माली बाबू आपण ओडिया बुझछन तो आर यू लिसनिंग अछंती कि नै से
Suresh Mali, no. He has written in the chat box, no.
Okay. So I will give you an example, Mr. Suresh Mali, I'll rather supplement what Dr. Jivitesh Rath said. I'll tell you a story from which you can easily understand. You see, there was a person, and one day in the evening, suddenly he found his house is burning. Okay. So he was worried, crying, oh my God, I am totally lost, my everything, right? So he was emotionally totally disturbed and he was crying and shouting. Okay, he had three sons, and suddenly his eldest son comes to him and quietly whispers in his ear, Papa, don't worry. Yesterday we have sold this house for a huge sum. Suddenly the man's temperament changed. He went quiet, okay, and suddenly he had a sense of detachment, and he was just looking like other people because everyone is watching the house burning. Okay, now what happened? The second son has come. He said, Papa, actually what has happened really, the person has given some advance money, but he has not totally paid the money. So that means the house is still ours. Again, that man's emotion changed and he started crying, oh my God, I have lost everything, my house is burnt and all these things. After some time, the third son comes. That Papa, you see, that man is of high integrity. He said that neither you knew that the house is going to burn or to catch fire, nor I also knew that the house is going to catch fire. So he said that whatever commitment he has made, he is going to pay us the total money, and then he will take care of whatever has been lost. Again, the man's temperament and his emotions changed, and he had he became calm and quite relaxed and positive. So what does it mean? The house is burning, the people are same, everything is changed. Only few inputs from the person's information has changed, and that has affected the emotion. That means whenever you have a lot of attachment to people, to person, to materialistic thing, and you are scared of losing those things, then you have a lot of anxiety, you have a lot of negative thoughts, you have a lot of what you call negative emotions. So the basic criteria of thing is, first of all, you must understand yourself. So I am going to use some terms that will make you clear. First of all, whatever we are getting through this webinars and all these things, these are all informations. Then it is different from the knowledge. Then once you have the knowledge, then you have to understand it, internalize it, ingrain it, then practice it, then experience it, and then finally you get the wisdom. So it is not a one night or overnight process. It will take time, but ultimate remedy is to develop a sense of detachment. While you are doing everything, develop a sense of detachment. What you call is known as become a karma yogi. You do everything, you fulfill all your responsibilities to maintain all the relationship. Rather, the more you become a karma yogi, you'll become a fantastic actor, and you can play a better role with all the relations in your life, right? So once you develop a sense of detachment, once you understand yourself, once you have the wisdom and realization, then all your negativity will just change, and you'll have lot of positive vibrations in you, and your life will become wonderful. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now another question from Dhiren Kumar Raut. He has written that one minute. When some bad thing happened to him, he suddenly becomes very weak mentally. So how to avoid it and be strong? So he want the answer first from Dr. Subhendu sir, then from Jibitesh sir.
Okay, what is a bad thing according to you, Mr. Dhirendra? You see, anything which is not as per my desire, anything which I was expecting but it is not happening that way, or anything which I want to possess and I could not get it, then it's a bad thing for me, right? So when you are expecting or anticipating or desiring something and it doesn't happen, so you become sad. You develop a lot of negative emotions. So the remedy to this is that accept whatever comes in your life and accept it gracefully. Because I'm telling you, God has a plan for every individual being in this world. भगवान समस्त मनुष्य को ए संसार को विदाउट एनी पर्पस पठे नाहंती प्रत्येक मनुष्य पई ही हैज क्रिएटेड ए पाथ से पक्का रास्ता क्रिएट करचंती जोटा कि आमे तांकर संतान भलिया जदि हम आपण निश्चय छुआ पिला थिबे तनको आपण पिला मानकर कहारो केते बेले कोन दरकार से मागिबा पूर्व आपण प्रोवाइड करंती कि नाही राइट सिमिलरली okay you are a student fantastic so you just imagine आपण को जतरा जहां दरकार आपण बापा ठीक टाइम में जोगो चंती कि नाही yes or no yes तो सिमिलरली आमे जदि भाबिबा जे आमे ए परम पिता बा परमात्मा बा सुप्रीम सोल रो जदि आमे छुआ तेनु को सीए जानि चंती को टाइम रे हमकु कोन दरकार आ आमे जदि समय भगवत गीता रे भी लिखा अछि समय रो पूर्वरु आ प्रारब्ध रु अधिका ना काहाकु किछि मिलिछि कि बेलिबो तेनु करे जदि आपण देखचन जे आपण के इच्छा अनुसार गोटे जिंस होउनी डोंट फील बैड अबाउट इट थिंक दैट इट इज अ डिवाइन डिस्पेंसेशन आ मोर लाइफ एक्सपीरियंस मु देखिछि लाइफ रे जहां भी मोर लाइफ घटिछि गुड और बैड परे जतल व्हेन आई हाइंडसाइट रे मु एदिक देखे आई थिंक दैट वाज द बेस्ट थिंग दैट शुड हैव हैपेंड विथ मी and that I thank God for everything tenu kari apan life re jette bele jaha hochi if you always have an attitude of gratitude to the God apan dekhe everything will be fantastic thank you
actually Dhirendra babu hello
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I'm audible yeah actually
Yes, sir, you are audible.
अच्छा ओडिया रे बुझबे तो ओडिया रे अच्छा सी जो कहते एक्चुअली बैड एंड गुड व्हेन आई गेट सम बैड आई फील my for that moment no I became more anxiety and I lose strength actually there is a relative term bad and good for that moment it may be bad for that moment you should segregate this bad thing whether it is under your control or the bad thing is imposed on you जदि आप इम्पोज कर दिया जहाँ पर कंट्रोल नहीं you just silently accept and remain quiet if you think more on that bad thing which is not under your control which is external to you and ताको पर बेसिस भाबिए चिंता करिवे your anxiety will increase more you will become feel mentally weak so mentally weak and physically weak भितर बहुत difference अछि you may be mentally strong that will take care of everything जो सुबंधु जो कहले वर्तमान जे आत्मा परमात्मा what happens is good what happens is not bad so the positive sense in one line I conclude in positive sense रे आपण सब जिंस नेबा पड़िबो moment you take anything as negative then it becomes weaken either mentally the mental power जो हाउ the emotion आपण correctly कहले mentally I become weak so that's correct emotionally you become weak for that moment only but that should not affect your long term vision or short term vision or short term goal so you have to just accept it in your stride and just wait for few minutes or few hours and the bad thing will go
Thank you, sir. There is another question from Pilati ma'am. How to be positive when someone talks negative or say no to everything? He wants the answer from Dr. Subhendu Das, sir.
okay ma'am are you comfortable in English or should I speak in Odia
So, sorry, she has not mentioned. Okay, sir, you can answer.
Ma'am, English only. English.
okay
Ma'am.
you see ma'am okay when someone talks negative or say no to you so how to remain positive right you see again let me take back to you that don't take anything personally you try to put yourself in the other person's situation what we call the empathy right and once you put yourself in the other person's shoes in the other person's position analyze from the other person's perspective then you will understand that what could be the reason that he said no I'm telling you a real life happening. When I was in SAIL, Rourkela Steel Plant, there was Mr. A.K. Photedar, who was the executive director. As executive director, he had recommended lot of files to the managing director for approval. And things happened like this. After 15 days, he was promoted as managing director and he took charge of the position of the managing director. And we are all surprised, the same individual, but the files or proposals what he had recommended as executive director was not approved as MD. So what is the answer to this? That means when you are putting in a situation, in a proper position, so you are in a different perspective, you are in a different environment, you are in a different role. So when somebody is saying no to you, right, or he talks negative, so don't take it that he has insulted you. Nothing personal about it. You are playing a role, he is playing, the other person is playing his or her role. So everybody is playing a role. There is nothing to personal. And after all these relationships, whether in the office or in the family or in the society, are relationship with the body. As long as this body is there, the relationship is there. But you are not this body. So one of my friend, Dr. Saroj Mahapatra, who is the director of KIT School of Management now, he always quotes one of my statement which I said sometimes in 1998 or 99. At that time, I was suffering from chicken pox, and I was sick, and I was taking treatment at home. Then once he called me that, Shubhendu, how are you? You are having chicken pox and all the things. So I told, I am fantastic. I am enjoying my life. He was surprised. Are you are having chicken pox and you are fantastic. How can you say that? I said, chicken pox has happened to my body. It has not happened to me, and I am not this body. So I am different from this body. So why should I be worried for something which has happened to my body? So that understanding, and if you have that clarity, that who are you, and you understand yourself and the other persons as well, then there will be no issues of having any negative thought if somebody is abusing you or rebuking you or saying no to you or talking negative at you. Forget everything. And you see, whatever one has within himself or herself, only that he can give or she can give. So rather you should have pity or mercy on that people, that he has a lot of negativity in his head. He can't give anything positive. So have karuna, have compassion, and forgive him for all the negative utterances what the other person says. So once you develop this understanding, there'll be absolute no negative emotions in you. Am I clear, ma'am?
Gautam
Yes.
Buddha. Hello? Yeah, that interesting one-line story of Lord Gautama Buddha. When Gautama Buddha was going, somebody told, sir, that man was abusing you yesterday. He was talking negative thing about you. Gautama Buddha replied, why? I have not done any good thing to him. Why he was abusing? So that's the answer. That means somebody is talking negative about you means you must have done some good work or some work which he has misunderstood. He might not say, he must have or she must have not properly properly misunderstood, so that you should not bother about that. If I have done good, what if Gautam Buddha level person, if I have done anything good to that man, always you will feel that if you talk negative, it hurts you, no? But that hurting part is a temporary phenomenon. You should not be disheartened that he talks negative. That's a temporary phenomenon, always. Definitely the truth will come out, and that person may apologize after some time, sir, I talked negative about you. So this is a very nice story of Lord Gautama Buddha. It happened to him. Thank you. Hello.
Very clear, sir. Very clear. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you, thank you.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Gopal Bisoi, one of the participants, has given very nice compliment to both the speakers. I'm reading his message. Both the speakers are excellent, nicely explained how to create positive emotions. The webinar arranged by MAC Group are really heart-touching, educative, and very much useful during this Corona pandemic. Please arrange more such webinars for enriching human life in our society. Thank you, sir, for your nice compliments. We'll definitely take care of your suggestions.
Yeah, Malvika ma'am,
Yes, sir.
if you have 2 minutes time, I would like to show a video as to how to create positive emotions.
Sure, sir.
It's just a 2-minute video. If you have time, then I can share it.
We wish to see. Hello, sir. We wish to see.
Okay, okay. So, is it audible?
Yeah, it's audible. Madam, it's not audible, ma'am. Hello.
Yeah, the sound is not coming. You just watch the lines so that you will understand.
For anger, and too strong for fear, and too happy to permit the presence of trouble. Promise yourself.
Okay, thank you, sir, for the wonderful video. So now the time is already 8:06. So let us put an end to the webinar now. Now at the outset, on behalf of Kirti Das, Secretary, Manav Vardhan Kendra, R.K. Sutar, Chairman, Manav Vardhan Kendra, and the entire Sanjukta Patnaik, Vice Chairman, Dr. Haraprashanna Das, Chief Coach, the Principal Advisor of Manav Vardhan Kendra, and the whole team. I'd like to extend my heartfelt thanks and gratitude to both the eminent speakers for sparing their valuable time and giving such wonderful insights on how to enhance emotional immunity. So we are really thankful to you, sir, for your time and your insights. And also, I'd like to thank all the participants. As Dr. Subhendu sir in the beginning said that in spite of the Sunday evening, you listened to the webinar, you invested your time and for your patience hearing, and we are really thankful to all of you. So let us put an end to the webinar. Thanks everyone for your cooperation.
Thank you.
Sir.
Thank you very much.
Yeah. Thanks all the participants and thank you both the panelists. Namaskar, sir.
Thank you.
Sarve
good night.
bhavantu sukhina. Sarve santu niramaya. Sarve bhadrani pashyantu ma kaschit dukhamat bhave.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks a lot.